Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how we can move files in your cloud on iDrive to another folder, for example in the desktop version of iDrive. So let us get started right away. So head over to your drive, your cloud drive on iDrive, and what you want to do next, guys, is simply go through your folders. Let me go with that folder here I created for demonstration purposes. Left click into it, and what you want to do next is select the given file here on the left by clicking into this box. So let me just click into it. Pretty tricky. So what you want to do next, guys, once the file has been selected, is click into this button here among these options, move, and simply select a new location from that menu. So let me move it, for example, to that folder here. Click into it, click into move here, and that is going to move the given file to that folder. So let me double check this. Let me head back and access this folder, and there you go. As you can see, the file has been successfully moved. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.